Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating and incredibly effective trick for all you Samsung Galaxy phone users out there. Have you ever felt like your phone isn't quite as snappy as it used to be? Perhaps the touchscreen feels a bit less responsive, or the overall fluidity just isn't what it once was. Well, get ready to be amazed, because I'm about to show you a hidden secret code that can unlock incredible performance and responsiveness improvements on your Samsung device. This isn't just about clearing your cache or restarting your phone, this is about accessing a hidden menu with crucial updates that Google itself confirms can make a tangible difference. So, let's not waste any time. Grab your Samsung Galaxy phone, because we're going to do this together. The first step is to open your phone's dialer application. This is where the magic begins. Once you have the dialer open, you need to input a very specific code. It's *#2663#. That's *2663#. As soon as you type the final hash, a new, somewhat mysterious menu will pop up on your screen. You won't find this in your regular settings, which is why it's such a well-kept secret. Now, looking at this menu, you'll see a few options. The first one that immediately caught my attention, and the one we'll be focusing on first, is labeled TSPFW Update. I did some digging, and it turns out, TSP stands for Touch Screen Panel. Google confirms that updating the TSP firmware is specifically designed to improve the functionality and responsiveness of your device's touchscreen. Think about it, every interaction with your phone relies on the touchscreen. A smoother, more accurate touchscreen means a much better overall user experience. These updates are typically not part of regular software updates, which is why accessing this hidden menu is so vital. To proceed, simply tap on the TSPFW Update option. You'll see a warning message appear, "Now updating, warning, do not turn off." This is crucial. Do not interact with your phone or turn it off while this update is in progress. Just let it do its thing. It might take a few seconds, but once it's done, you'll see Update Complete. Incredible, right? Your touchscreen should now feel significantly more responsive. Next up, we have another intriguing option, Wacom FW Update. Again, I consulted the Oracle of Information, Google, to understand what Wacom refers to in this context. It's related to firmware, which is the software that controls a device's hardware. While Wacom is famous for its pen tablets and displays, in a phone context, it often relates to the display itself, particularly if your phone supports a stylus like the S Pen. Even if your phone doesn't have an S Pen, this update can still play a role in optimizing the display's performance and how it interacts with touch input. Given its potential impact on display functionality, it's definitely worth updating. So, let's go ahead and tap on a Wacom FW Update. Just like before, you'll see that now updating a message. Be patient, let it complete, and you'll get that Update Complete notification. Too significant, often overlooked, updates already done. Finally, we have the third option, Refresh Wi-Fi version. While the previous two were about tactile and visual responsiveness, Wi-Fi performance is equally crucial for a smooth phone experience. A robust and stable Wi-Fi connection ensures faster browse, smoother streaming, and more reliable app usage. Tapping on Refresh Wi-Fi version will initiate a restart of your phone. Don't be alarmed, this is part of the process. Your phone will power down and then boot back up. Once it has restarted, let me unlock the device. And there you have it. You've successfully performed these secret updates. Now, the moment of truth. After performing these steps, you should immediately notice a difference. The phone is genuinely supposed to run smoother, the touchscreen should feel more fluid, and the overall responsiveness should be dramatically improved. It's like giving your Samsung Galaxy a hidden tune-up that breathes new life into it. This is a fantastic way to extend the lifespan of your device and ensure it performs at its peak without needing any expensive upgrades or complicated software. So, what do you think? Did this secret code boost your Samsung Galaxy's performance? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated on more amazing tech tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and, most importantly, ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future content. And speaking of valuable information, I've got 2 more incredible videos that I know you're going to absolutely love. They build on what we've learned today and dive even deeper into making your phone experience better. Right here, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a video that reveals the secrets of One UI 7.0, revealing 5 must-know hidden features for Galaxy devices. And then, on the right side, we've got another must-watch that covers 3 secrets on how to become a computer expert. If you were amazed by what you discovered in this video, trust me, you will be equally, if not more, impressed by the insights in those too. Go check them out now, give them a watch, apply the tips, and truly transform your phone experience. I will see you there.